Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be trying to fix my old phone. It hasn't worked I slapped myself with my another old phone. This one hasn't worked because I accidentally dropped it into the water. So I've done some research and I'm gonna be trying it. So first I said that I should unplug a charger like this. I have to just take the thing out and do this. Three times, and then do this, and then click the side button 3 times, and now hold it for 3 seconds here. And now you should plug it in again. Here, have this, and we're gonna plug it in again. Now, gotta do that. And you see this, you gotta hold your fingerprint on it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold the side button and hold the volume button. It doesn't matter which volume button, and the side button, and for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you should turn on the sound, turn off the sound, and turn it on again. And now it should work. Wait. It's gonna work. Okay, so while we wait for charging up, I'm gonna show the sponsor of the video. It's Colgate, and they have dropped a new edition for whiter teeth. And so, watch, it's totally white. It smells amazing, and you get whiter teeth of it. So go and buy this toothpaste. It's really good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna head back in a couple of minutes, and it doesn't turn on yet. I can't believe that worked though.